Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that. A crazy day in the stock market. A lot of stocks were up green. Upstart up 23%, JMI up 30%, and Coinbase and Neo both up 13% for some of the biggest positive movers on the day. We also have a few stocks that finished negative on the day, like Walmart that was down 11%. Make sure you stay throughout this entire video because we're going to do an earnings update. We're also going to go over Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday earnings and what you need to know. Smash a thumbs up on this video before we jump in and share with a friend because you know this will be a banger. Just to do a recap here, on Monday we had Wix, Sundial, Growers. Today, which was Tuesday before the open, we had Walmart report horrible numbers on their EPS specifically. So at Home Depot report before the open today, see JD.com, and then moving over on Wednesday, which we're going to see tomorrow. So as soon as we wake up tomorrow, we'll see Target moving big, Lowe's moving big, TJ Maxx moving big, and then after the close on Wednesday, we have Cisco and not many others. Thursday, we have Kohl's and BJ's. After the close, we have Ross. So as you can see, it's not really too interesting this week. And Friday, we have John Deere and Foot Locker. So let's dive into like Walmart, Home Depot, maybe even Wix, Sundial Grower, JD.com, Lowe's, and John Deere, and see what we have coming up this week. All right, so first up, let's talk about Walmart, down 11% to $131 per share. They're at a 52-week low. They've hit that support a few times, right at $135 per share. So Walmart's pretty familiar with that. A 5-year low would be closer to around $80 per share. And personally, where I'm looking to buy is under 125, closer to 115, and I even have price targets set for around $105 and $95 per share too. Walmart is an interesting stock. I used to have a reoccurring $5 per day on them, but I actually cut that off recently because I'm waiting for a bigger dip to be dollar cost averaging in under $115 per share. The market cap is still a huge company, 361 billion, with a P ratio of 30, which is pretty fair for something like Walmart. We definitely want to do a deep dive into this one and see the revenue growth and the net income growth year over year and quarter over quarter. This is a pretty safe stock overall. However, I think in the next 6 months, 3 to 6 months, we can see them going down overall and we can get a better price on something like Walmart. This is also a dividend stock with a 1.5 dividend. So once they move a little bit lower, they'll definitely be a little bit more attractive for my dividend only portfolio. Home Depot was the next stock that was pretty big that reported earnings today. And as you can see in the past week, they are up. Intraday, as soon as they reported earnings, they fell around 5%. So let's dive a little bit deeper into the earnings and see what was going on. And you can also see that in 2021, earlier or later last year rather, they were at $416 per share, and they fell about 30% from all-time highs. Home Depot is one that I'm looking closer to $200 per share, or even closer to that $175 mark. No guarantee that they will get that low. They actually have a really good EPS, $4 EPS, and they beat expected earnings as well. If we scroll up and look at their dividend yield, it's higher than Walmart, which is really attractive, and their PE ratio is 19, implying that it's also a better deal than Walmart. So Home Depot, definitely an interesting one. Closer to $250, $200 per share. Definitely have price alerts set there, and I'll be more interested in Home Depot around those price points. If we pull up Home Depot's financial statements, for example, you can see that they've been growing revenues around 5-10% per year. 2021 was their best year. They grew 20%. In total net income, they've been growing pretty good as well, 10%, 26% growth, and then 14 and 27% growth in 2022. So they've actually been growing better. The balance sheet is looking scary. Their liabilities are they are higher actually than their assets, which is never good for a company. If everything hits the fan and it gets crazy, They don't have enough cash and cash equivalents to pay back their debts, liabilities, which I don't like. C Limited, ticker symbol SE, is up 14% today after announcing their earnings. They're up 27% in the past week. However, since their all-time high, they're still down around 80%, which is definitely concerning. This was a metaverse play, and they were around $50 for a long time before they caught that metaverse steam and went up 700%. Currently, they're at $80 per share. So if I can get in under $50 per share, that's where I have my price alert set. That's going to be a lot more attractive for me. They also have a market cap of $40 billion. They're a non-profitable company. And if you don't know what they do, they're an internet and mobile platform company which engages in the provision of online gaming services. It operates through the following segments: digital entertainment, e-commerce, and digital financial services. The digital entertainment segment offers and develops mobile and PC online games. The e-commerce segment manages a third-party marketplace through the Shopee mobile app and the websites that connect buyers and sellers. The digital financial services segment includes a variety of payment services and loans to individuals and businesses through C-Money. It also notes who the company was founded by, when it was founded by, the headquarters. This is a Chinese-based company, so if you want to get some exposure to the metaverse and the Chinese-based stocks, this could be a good one on the list. We definitely have to do a deep dive in this one later on the channel. So make sure you're subscribed with post notifications on, because we are going to be doing a deep dive on this stock for sure. And as you can see, the EPS came in significantly better than expected. They're getting closer to profitability than the analysts were expecting. And if we want to entertain what the analysts have to say, they have a $188 price target in the next 12 months. On SE, which is 134 upside, 134%. And we even have some analysts high as $295 per share. You can see where some of these analysts are coming from, and they also reiterated this a long time ago. So not much analyst activity on this stock. They're not updated as frequently as some of the other stocks that analysts are making predictions on. I would definitely take that with a grain of salt for right now until we do a deeper dive on them. Target is reporting tomorrow morning before the market opens, and they're already down 8% in the past month. And in the past year, they're almost at a 52-week low. Under $200 and closer to $180 would be closer to that 52-week low. If I was going to buy Target, I would be buying under $150 per share. That's where my personal price targets are set. However, you can see that the PE ratio suggests that it is a good deal at a 15 PE ratio. Market cap under 100 billion, so about a third of the size of Walmart, and they pay a 1.5 dividend, so they pay the same as Walmart pays on their dividend. Now, we did see Walmart significantly miss earnings, down 11%, so that might be what's coming for Target as well. Target earnings may show how its customers are handling inflation. Feel free to read that article. We won't dive too much into it for right now, but I think there's a good chance that we'll see Target down at least around 5 or 10% tomorrow morning, so keep an eye out for that. So make sure you drop a big thumbs up on this video if you appreciate the content and you want more videos just like this. Thank you guys for subscribing. And if you want a cryptocurrency update, make sure you follow me over at the Daily Cryptocurrency. I just put out a new video today on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Shiba, Crypto.com coin, Binance coin, and a lot of other coins that I did updates on in today's video on the Daily Cryptocurrency. So make sure you go ahead and be a part of the family there. Free videos on YouTube, just like on the Daily Stock Market. Just go on YouTube and just type in the Daily Cryptocurrency on YouTube, and I'll be the first one that pops up. And I try to post videos at least a couple times a week. 1 to 2 times a week. I'll also be posting an NFT update on that channel this week as well, on top of the video that I put out today about cryptocurrency. If you want to be a part of the close friends list, also click on success number 5. Read some of the results that other students have had. Click on success number 4. There's over 500 positive testimonials of people having results. So here you can see the student was up $350. Here you can see $23 return and another $220 return. I ended up cashing out 160%. I also wanted to know if Zillow is a good buy. So even if you need someone just to bounce stock ideas off of or talk stocks with, that's what I'm here for. A lot of people don't have family members they can turn to. So if you want to message me, you can also have daily access to me when you get into my coaching program. So guys, share this video with a friend, subscribe with post notifications on. Thank you guys for all the love and support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.